Unleash the power of the latest and greatest gadgets, specially curated for men who love tech and style. From cool survival gears to efficient work tools, these cutting-edge innovations are set to revolutionize your everyday life. Introducing a sleek and functional wallet designed to keep all your credit cards handy. With a specialized compartment, it neatly organizes up to 6 cards. The one-click trigger feature allows you to pull out any card within seconds. Moreover, it's equipped with advanced protection against scanning devices. There's even a pocket for cash, yet it remains slim and elegant, featuring genuine leather and a range of colors to choose from. EILIKS Survival Gear. This ultimate survival kit is packed with 24 tools, perfect for hiking and camping. It covers every need and danger you might face, from a sharp foldable knife to climbing hooks, a powerful flashlight, a multifunctional fork, compact fire starter, emergency blanket, and more. The design is stylish, minimalist, and compact, making it a reliable companion on your outdoor adventures. Mini keychain knives. If you are a minimalist lover, consider this set of tiny copper knives with various sizes and shapes. The handles are both sturdy and elegant, and even though they look small, these knives can easily cut through a can. They are stylish, charming, and can be easily carried on a keychain. Check it out in the description. 3-in-1 keychain lighter. Simplify your everyday needs with a multifunctional keychain tool. This stainless steel gadget includes a bottle opener, a powerful oil match with a windproof flame, as well as built-in nail file and clippers. InCharge 6 connector. Embrace the internet age with this Swiss Army knife version of cables, featuring 2 USB-C connectors, 2 standard USBs, Lightning and micro USB. It's suitable for charging and syncing mobile devices, and the compact design makes it a convenient travel companion. The zinc aluminum housing ensures incredible durability. It's a must-have gadget that can replace all cables that we have. Laser plasma lighter. Stay cool and smart with this innovative laser-activated lighter. Its windproof design makes it perfect for outdoor use, and the LED lights indicate the battery status. With multiple colors and styles to choose from, this lighter adds style to your everyday carry. It's not too expensive. Check out the description. Safety nailer framer. Hammering nails just got safer and easier with this finger-saving gadget. Made of tough plastic, it protects your fingertips and suits any hand size with its elastic bands. Magnetic features hold nails securely, preventing buckling. A much-needed tool for anyone working with screws or nails. Stay safe and secured with the safety nailer. It's a must-have gadget for all men. Stuffed burger press. Elevate your grilling experience with this burger press. Create perfectly shaped and stuffed burgers with ease. The non-stick plastic ensures your burgers come out perfectly, and the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, you'll receive an ebook with recipes as a small bonus. Interesting, isn't it? What about a like? 50 caliber shot glasses. Enjoy your favorite hard liquor in these bullet-shaped ceramic shot glasses. Each shot glass holds up to 2 fluid ounces, and they are easy to store due to their compact size. The shiny gold finish adds a touch of elegance to any gathering. RAK Universal Wrench socket. Simplify your toolbox with this universal socket that can replace an entire set. It attaches to power drills and ratchet wrenches, making your workflow faster and more efficient. The self-adjusting feature grips hexagonal nuts, hooks, and screws of various shapes and sizes, providing a torque of over 125 pounds. Magnetic wristband. Stay organized during repairs with this magnetic wristband. It's filled with 10 strong magnets to hold building materials and small tools while you work. No more searching or losing bolts, screws, or nuts. This gadget is a must-have for every house. Sniper watch with lighter. Embrace sophistication with this watch-inspired gadget featuring an attachable lighter module and cigar cutter. The sleek stainless steel case and leather strap exude timeless charm. Slide the module for a reliable cigar lighter, while the cutter ensures precision cuts. Scratch-resistant sapphire glass and a sleek style complete this fashion-forward and functional timepiece. That's all, folks. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. That's why you are at the end. Smash that like button if you forgot earlier, and don't forget to comment your best one.